Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brands. Today, it's my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for March. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not yet. Share the video out and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. Also, there's a little join button right down there that you can click for information about becoming a channel member for exclusive perks. Thank you to my channel members. We are going to dive right on in. I just received my Ipsy PR package. Thank you to Ipsy for sending. If you are unfamiliar with the Ipsy Glam Bag, the standard Ipsy Glam Bag is a monthly beauty subscription where you'll get 5 travel try-me size items for $13 a month and a little makeup bag. You do get to choose one of those items. And some months we get really lucky and get a full-size item. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $28 monthly subscription where you'll get 5 full-size items, a cosmetic bag, and you get to pick 3 of your products. If you do not like spoilers, this is not the video for you. I will see you at the end of the month when I get my paid-for Ipsy, where we try everything on from this package and my paid-for package. So I'm going to open the box up and we're going to dive in. All right, really quickly, because I have a feeling people are going to ask. Also, this look, y'all, I am feeling myself. I was feeling all the spring vibes. Spring is approaching. Y'all know I don't like hot weather, but I'm excited about spring coming this year. I don't know why. I do not know why. But I went in with my JD Glow Cutie Pie and Dream matte shadows. They're what is on the outside, underneath, and as my blush. And I went in with Black Moxy, the shade Ambience or Ambiance. And it's this beautiful multi-chrome. I think it is absolutely stunning. That is what is all over the lid. And then I went in with JD Glow Insane. That is what is on my lips, my highlight, the inner corner, and above my brow. I think it's beautiful, and it took like 5 minutes. Literally, it took 5 minutes. All right, so we're going to dive in. I will do the standard Glam Bag first. I freaking love this bag. It is a pale blue with kind of a chartreuse. It says Power Moves. And this is International Women's Month. I think actually today, the day that I'm filming, is International Women's Day. Pretty damn exciting. So we're going to dive in. First up, I have a Sophia and Maybelle Small and Mighty Extreme Volume Mascara. The highlighter that we got from them a few months back is gorgeous. So I'm excited to test this out. And y'all know I love mascaras because I don't wear lashes. Next up, we have... oh, this sounds amazing. We have Ciate London Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. Y'all, that sounds amazing, especially heading into spring and summertime. Next up is a Element Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. I will put this in my Pay It Forward pile. Next. Oh, I just got the full size of this and I love it. It's the Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. And it is a mini. I do have the full size, so I'll also put this in a Pay It Forward pile for you guys. Really, really beautiful formula. Nice and thick, has a little bit of density to it, which I really love, and it stays on the lips, which I appreciate. And then last up in our regular Ipsy Glam Bag, I have Ona New York Brightening Eye Cream with peptides and vitamin E. I'm really excited about that as well. Y'all, I love this freaking bag. I hope I get some of these in my paid for bag. So we got a brightening eye cream, a mascara, our glossy cheek glow, our lipstick, and our lip mask. I feel like those of y'all that love beauty products, makeup products, y'all probably gonna like this month. I'm just saying. All right, and this month's theme, March 2022, is Ipsy Power Moves. Who runs the world? You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss. Whether it's sticking to a self-care routine, super important, or kickstarting the next big thing. And our Glam Bag Plus bag is this bag right here. It kind of reminds me of how a beach ball would look. And of course, they coordinate together. That's super dang cute. I might keep both of these too this month. All right, first up, I see something from Saturday Skin. We have the Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I'm going to have to think on this. These are not something that I use all the time, and you guys know that I really try to not be wasteful. If I decide not to keep this, I'll pop it right here, and of course, it goes into our Pay It Forward pile. Next up is a Defiance Carmela Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand. Okay, oh, that packaging is really pretty. They are a cruelty-free brand. Okay. Okay, I think it's really beautiful. I love the color story. I like that it goes from light to dark, and I like the blend of mattes to shimmers. But for me, it's just a little too neutral. It is not something that I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of. You guys know I typically go very warm, or I do greens, gold. I mean, y'all know. You already know. Pay it forward, pal. Next is an Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. I'm weird about brushes like this, you guys, especially if you have to store them and they have like a brush on the other side. I just personally don't like that. I'm going to very carefully take it out because I don't think I'm going to keep it. Yeah, not for me. This is not for me. I know that it's cute, it's kitschy, maybe somebody's going to like it, but that somebody is not me. So this is also going to go in our pay it forward pile. I don't mind having it. I love getting brushes. I'm just somebody that doesn't like a dual-ended type of brush just because of storage. That's all. Okay, next up, we have an MOTD Dab and Tap Makeup Sponge. I'm also going to go ahead and put this in my pay it forward pile just because last month I did get some sponges, and a few of you sent me sponges for my birthday as well, so I'm also going to put this in my pay it forward pile. And then I actually have 3 things left in here, so I don't know if these are kind of like a freebie because I get the Ipsy PR box. I don't know, but I do have a Power Moves Write Your Own Story with some incredible looking pens, and then a little notepad, so that's super cool. Obviously I don't get spoilers myself. I don't watch anybody else's until I get my own, so I think this is because I get PR, or maybe they sent it to everybody. Y'all let mama know, comment down below. And then the very last thing that I see in the box is a Myrick's Beauty Oil Hydrating Facial Oil. I don't think this is a full size, so now I'm really confused. Unless it is a full size. It says, use this lightweight, fast-absorbing dry oil alone or as a hydrating base or mixing medium for foundations. Apply to clean skin using a brush, sponge, or your fingers. Okay, I like that. It looks like it has gold in it as well. I'll just take it out and show you guys. And it says, key ingredients are jojoba oil, squalane, which is fantastic if you have more dry, mature skin, sunflower seed oil, and gold leaf. Oh, cool. So shake well before each. And it says shake well before each use. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. This could be a full size. I'm not quite sure. I'm very happy overall. If I get any of this in my paid for bag, I think I'm going to be okay. So we got the Myrick's oil. We got our MOTD Dab and Tap Makeup Sponge. We got our 4-in-1 Multitasker Brush. We got our Defiance palette by Carmela Cosmetics. We got our Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. And then, of course, I got the little notepad and the pens. I cannot speak to whether or not everybody's getting these or not. I am excited. I think this month is going to be a banger for sure. What did you guys think? What is your favorite product? What are you hoping to get in your bag? I really like this assortment this month. That is it for today. I will see you at the end of the month for our try-on. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.